to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today is a very exciting video as we're going to be unboxing some new electronics I got from Huion. This is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. So this is what my current situation is like. So I've got my gaming laptop I use for editing and drawing. And then I've got my Huion tablet. It's the H610 Pro V2 if I'm not mistaken. I really love it. I also love the buttons because they're programmable. Comes with this awesome pen that has no battery in it, so no charging. But I wanted to upgrade to a screen, and that's what we're going to be unboxing today. So let's unbox it together. So I actually got two pieces. I've got the keyboard that came with it. It's actually a Bluetooth one. So it's the Mini Keydial, also from Huion. So we'll be unboxing that. And then we've got the big box. Let's carefully, sorry for the noise. Let's open up the package and get the big box out. Okay. So it's the Kamvas Pro 20. It's a pen display and I'm really excited to be able to use this. So let's open the box. It comes really in great packaging. So I think I'm gonna be having to slide this out. Let's assume this is the top. I know this is not my normal content, but I'm just so excited to get this. I paid it with my own money. This was not in any way sponsored. I really wanted it for myself and I got a great deal on it. So here's all the cables and the pen. I think it's going to be the same one I already have, so I might actually keep this one in the packaging. Oh no, it's different. It feels really light, even lighter than the one I already have. And I guess this is the stand. I'm so happy it comes with the stand. Cleaning cloth and the instructions and actually a nice glove. This is the screen. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's perfect. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove my setup from my desk as is and set this up how I like it, and we'll unbox this one together and go from there. So I've got everything on the table. We're standing on my couch, so hopefully you won't fall over. So I've got this little booklet. Show you. It shows all the pieces that are inside of the box and how you need to assemble it, adding the stand to it. And what was amazing, I was trying to find a screwdriver. They provided it. It's everything's in here. So little screws as well. Let's open this. Let's see. Okay, let's put it on the table. It has 8 holes, 4 screws. So let's see which holes we're going to be needing to fill up. It all feels really, sorry for the cord, that's my microphone. It feels really sturdy. I think you need to pull the lever and it comes out like that. And then of course we need to know what top and bottom is. I think this is the bottom because it has the little stands on here. Let's just read what's on here. On both instructions to put the screws in the outer ones. So let's put it on here. And try not to lose a screw. Already lost too many. And this goes in here. Okay, I'm just putting them in just lightly. Okay, let's tighten them up, not too tight. I've learned you don't need to really wrangle the screws because it hurts the thread more than necessary. So when they're in, they're in. So that's good. So now it should be able to stand up on its own. So here it is. I'm going to leave the screen protector on for just now because I'm going to try and figure out which cord goes where. So we've got a power cord that comes into two separate pieces. That's probably because not every country has the same outlets, so that's smart. So one piece. It's pretty long, so that's handy. That's the first piece. Got the second one. It's also nice and long. I think it's about a meter, a little bit over 2 meters of cord. So that's actually pretty good for one of these tablets. That's just a cord. Let's find where it plugs in. So all the plugs go on this side. That's one. USB and an HDMI cable. So this is the USB one. Let's see how long that one is. Also about a meter. The USB side goes into your laptop or in your computer. That goes in here. So that's cable number 2. And then I've got 2 HDMI cables. I think this is for a regular computer and I don't have that. So that can go. And this one should fit into my laptop. Let's just see. Also about a meter. So they provide them with the end caps. That's really nice. So no dirt can come into it. So one side, they're both the same, so that's fine. So this one goes into here. Now we just have to download the driver onto the laptop and go from there. So the first thing we need to do is to go and install the driver. Huion driver Kamvas 20 Pro. Okay. So I've got the drive, so this is the Kamvas Pro 20. And then the newest one for Windows is this one on top. So I'm just gonna download it. And I'm gonna say open when ready. Then we got this here. We're gonna unpack. Open the driver. Say yes. I've got everything closed, so that's okay. I uninstalled my old driver just before this, so and I agree. Install. Try it now. So it says it doesn't detect the device because I haven't plugged it into the system yet, so let's do that. Okay, so let's turn the device on. So just push the on button. You can see, so it's on and it's already picking up my feed, so that's cool. But so let's try this again. Open it from here. Let's see. And go. I think you should be doing this on tablet. So let's get the pen out. So this is a pen, no batteries needed. And it comes with this little stand. Got this stand, you can put it like this or set it down. If you twist and open, there are more nibs inside and a nib remover. Peel this off. Because it says remove before use. Let's just touch it. It's not doing anything. Back to the drawing board. Let's see what we can figure out why it's not working. And I'll come back to you in a bit. It's the next day. It took me a couple of hours to get this to actually function. But now, as you can see, the pen works. So that's great. I'm working on a Lenovo IdealPad Gaming. It has two USB inputs and a USB-C. My old Huion pad worked on the USB, but somehow this one didn't. So I ended up reinstalling the driver that didn't do anything, switching off my firewall, changing a lot of settings, nothing helped. And then just before I wanted to just give up, I thought, let's try this little device. It goes from USB B to C. So right now, because I actually also tried a different cable for it, so the output on this one is USB A, then it goes to USB B, and now it goes to C. But it doesn't matter, it works. It's time to unbox my little Keydial, because I want to connect it with everything and see if it works all together. I will be modifying my buttons, side buttons for Krita, for my drawing. And I want to use the Keydial for Davinci Resolve so I can edit with it. So I don't have double functions on it. Wow, it's really, really light. So this is the pad. So it has a turn knob and a button, and then it goes all these buttons. They're really nice to touch. It's really thin. It's really nice. So it comes with a quick start, a cable. So this is USB to USB-C. And then it also has this little Bluetooth thing, so you can use it without keeping it connected. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and you can use it for, I guess, a couple hours after. It has a little on button on the side. Oh, it's already charged. See, the light is coming on. Oh, let's switch it off for now. Okay, we need to have a driver for it again, and that's about it. So let's download the driver first. I'm just going to Google Huion drivers, download drivers, and then now I want to scroll. Let's see if I can find it in here. Probably gonna be under a number. So it says on the box KD100. KD100. And here it is. Let's see which driver it needs. So for Windows it needs this driver, and that's actually the same one that is needed for my tablets. I'm probably just gonna try and plug it in and see if it wants to recognize it. So this will go with my USB into the laptop. It's charging. Maybe if and here it is. And this will help you to change the LED brightness, dial. Okay, so I can probably see what I can use it for. So I can add a key to it. So by just clicking here and saying, for example, is Alt, let's say we want to make this arrow downward. So you just press it and it changes. So now it's the arrow down. So you can customize it any way you like. Pretty helpful. So I'll be customizing that. And now I get the tablet, and you can change these exactly the same. Let's customize everything, and I will show you how it works in Krita and Davinci Resolve. So here's a little Davinci Resolve project I'm working on. As you can see, I've opened up, everything works. I can use the pen to click on it, and then, for example, I can use the little wheel to scroll to the right, to the left, because I programmed it, and that makes it a lot easier. And if I say I want to do a cut here and then delete that part, it works absolutely fine. So that's in Davinci Resolve. Go to Krita, which is the program I use to draw. And I do have a little cheat sheet here on my buttons. And let's open up a new one. That's all fine. Just want to show you how it works. So I programmed my pen to be double left mouse click and mouse click right. So if I go here and I do right mouse click, I get my 10 brushes I want to use. And as you can see, the pressure is absolutely perfect. And for example, I want to go back. I just push my buttons. I can scroll, zoom in and out on this one. For example, I can twist. I can center it, and I can mirror my image. So yeah, I'm barely touching, and the opacity is at 100%. So if I push, I get a nice black line. But if I just want to have a light gray, I can just build it up. It's just so nice and sensitive. So yeah, this is a-okay. I'm really happy with this. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about the tablets, the Mini Keydial, Krita or Davinci Resolve actually, just put them down below in the comment section and I'll try to answer them if I know the answer, because I'm still learning. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!